One of my favorite things about Android is the ability to easily use external hard drives, whether it's for watching movies on a plane or quickly moving photos and videos from your tablet to a drive. This is a great way to essentially turn your tablet into a little computer. You're going to want to use a low-power solid-state drive. Those are fast and they work the best. On my Samsung tablet, all I need to do is plug in the drive and I'm good to go. But some Android tablets require you to first toggle on the OTG setting. OTG stands for USB on the go, and some manufacturers require you to enable it before your tablet can read external drives. So if yours doesn't recognize the drive, go to your settings and look for OTG connection toggle. When I plug in my drive, I get a notification where I can quickly access the drive. This takes me to the file manager where I can access the drive and all the files and folder on it. I have some movies here and I can play those movies on my tablet directly off the drive. This same thing works on Android phones too, by the way, so you can use the same drive for your phone and tablet. If you're using your tablet for other stuff and need to access the drive again, you'll do that through your file browser. Mine is under Samsung's My Files app. On the sidebar, I can easily access my internal storage, memory card, and the external drive. This is also where I could move files from my internal storage to the drive, or vice versa. When you're done with your drive, you can select it in your file browser and then tap the three dots up top to unmount it. Unmounting before unplugging the drive is always recommended. If you happen to unplug the drive while your tablet is actively using it, there's always a risk of corrupted files and data loss. So that's how you use an external drive with your Android tablet. If you need a drive, I'll link my favorite in the description. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.